So, when you're up late and you're thinking, and by late I mean 8:35, and you're just thinking, and then you watch one of your old YouTube videos where you almost died, which happens a lot. And then you start thinking of your old students and missing them, and you miss the students you have this year because you haven't actually met them in person yet, but you also miss the students from last year because you didn't get to say a proper goodbye. And then you think, well, what if I text them on the remind, just to see how they're doing? But you're like, that's awkward because all of a sudden they get a text from their old English teacher on the remind. It's not like it's super weird, but it's obviously super weird. So instead you just, make a YouTube video because, 3 kids watch, and you just, want to say hi. That's it. Hi. I miss you. I saw your books today in my cabinet, and it just reminded me. That's it. And you're cute. And I do really almost die a lot. I should probably take a look at that sometime.